So today I know it's a little bit dark, but my boy and I decided we're gonna put on the rear spoiler. So it was the last bit of the carbon pieces that we were gonna put on. As you probably saw from the last video, we did the carbon grill, the front lip, and also the air ducts. So we just got to do the rear spoiler, and we're gonna transfer the little badge from the other grill to the new grill. This is all in prep for Beamer Invasion. I was gonna try to get the springs done as well, and also the tints, but we'll see. We'll see what we can do. My shifts have been getting a little bit better, I think. So I need to get a GoPro to show you guys better footage. But for now, this is gonna have to do. I'm trying to multitask using my phone and shifting gears and steering and all that, but I think it looks good. Maybe I should have put the camera up here so you can see the heads-up display. This looks pretty good. Let me know what you guys think. All right, guys, we got my boy Steven here.
What's up, guys?
Stupid. All right, so we're removing the stock Shadowline spoiler here. Obviously, it's a little baby. And we got the Carbon Haus rear spoiler, and it's a high kick. So I'm not going to show you that yet. But you see all this mess is because the kitchen's getting remodeled. So just ignore that. Pretend I didn't show you. Anyway, so we're gonna tape the edges here, and we're gonna get a fishing line and try to get through it without heating it up. What do you think?
Let's see how it goes.
Let's see. So we got blue painter's tape. We're gonna tape along both sides of the spoiler. My car's filthy, so don't make fun of me. Let's see how we get this done here. Get it real close to the edge. All right, so we got both sides taped up. Got pretty close to it, but give it enough space for the fishing line. So now let's try to get the fishing line through. I think I could get it through this corner and then just try to kind of saw it off. I guess that's the right word.
Scissor it.
Scissor it. We're trying to heat it up, loosen up that 3M. Might take a little bit, but we'll keep trying. All right, so we heated it up a little bit and got some of it off, but I went ahead and got some goof off to try to spray it on and remove the residue. And then we also got a clay bar kit with instant detailer. So let's see what we can do with this.
All right, as you can see here, we got all the glue residue off. Now he's doing a clay bar and goof off combination, and as you can see, buttery smooth. So now after this is done, we're going to wipe it with some isopropyl alcohol and then get the surface prepped and get that Carbon Haus carbon fiber spoiler on. Alright, so we got most of this glue off. Now we just clay bar it. As you can see, it starts coming off. But then after you get, you know, some residue on that, you wipe it off. Wipe it off. And just keep going. Make sure it's pretty well lubricated with what is this, the goof off. And we just keep going. Very nice. Alright, so we got some alcohol and gonna apply it here, remove more residue with a microfiber towel. So he's just wiping it down long layer. Just cleaning up any residue that's left over. Obviously there's easier ways to do this. What's that thing that people can use?
So there's a rubber orbital that you could use to get this stuff off easier, and this took us about, what would you say, about 45 minutes to get everything off.
Yeah.
Using a heat gun and
The goose. Yeah.
So if you like blisters, then I recommend this way. If you like the easy way, that'll give you 10 minutes probably, get the rubber pad thing.
Yeah, we weren't prepared.
No.
We weren't prepared. We were just like, hey, can we do this tonight? We're like, hey, yeah, sure, let's do it. And then while we were doing this, I went off and got the goof off and the clay bar kit, so.
Yeah, but now we're ready. So
now we're ready.
We're gonna get this thing going.
The big boy about to go on.
All right, NW Carbon Haus. Rear spoiler. Oh, there goes the 3M tape. Boom. If you guys seen the TikTok, you guys already seen this unboxing. Here it is. Something they do, they wrap it very well. Alright, so here it is. It's the high kick spoiler. So we're gonna throw it on here. And it's gonna look very nice.
Very nice.
So we gotta measure it up. I think it goes, it goes end to end on the trunk lid.
Well, let's get it then.
Yeah, the stock one doesn't, so you could almost eyeball this, but we're not gonna eyeball.
No, we're gonna measure. We're
engineers.
Alright, so here we're test fitting it first before we put the 3M tape on. We put some tape on the edge here and also on the other side. So here's the other side. So we put tape right along the edge. It's a little dark, but you can see it. So now we're gonna put 3M tape on the bottom of it, right along the top, and also the bottom. Damn, look at that. That looks super aggressive. The lighting right now is kind of, let me see if I brighten it up a little bit. just looks so aggressive. I'm gonna take some pictures of it because this video is not doing it justice right now. Yeah, that's aggressive. Such a big difference. Look at that. Just look at that carbon.
Overall easy install, but taking the glue off, not my favorite. But
Yeah, the
it gets
glue
done,
was.
you know?
We got it done though. Took a little longer because we didn't have everything we needed, but it just looks freaking phenomenal. So aggressive. Makes the back look so much nicer. There's a quick little high kick spoiler install for you guys. Thank you guys for watching.